Bonjour. So today I'm going to teach you les avantages et les inconvénients des métiers. So the advantages and the disadvantages of a job. So let's start off with les avantages. So les avantages d'un métier. C'est bien payé, it's well paid. Now where this vocab really could come up is your listening work. Okay, so we really need to make sure we're okay with this, that we can at least just recognize it. I'm not asking you to write this into French, just recognize it. Okay, so it could be listening comprehension, it could be reading. So c'est bien payé. C'est bien payé, it's well paid. C'est très varié. Varié, it's very varied. So the job is interesting, there's loads of different elements to it. So c'est bien payé, it's well paid. C'est très varié, it's very varied. Ce n'est pas stressant. Now, the minute you're hearing ne and pas is an indicator there that it's negative. Stressant, so it's not stressful. C'est un travail intéressant. So we're describing the job as interesting. So because we're using an adjective with the word for a job here, we can say un before it. C'est un travail intéressant. C'est un travail satisfaisant. It's a satisfying job. On est son propre patron. Now, patron is the French word for boss. So if one is your own boss, okay, you're your own boss. So just be aware that word patron means boss. On peut aider les autres, one can help others. So you're familiar with that verb aider, to help. And on peut voyager, one can travel. So c'est bien payé, it's well paid. C'est très varié, it's very varied. Ce n'est pas stressant, it's not stressful. C'est intéressant, it's interesting. C'est satisfaisant, it's satisfying. On est son propre patron, or le patron est sympa, the boss is nice. On peut aider les autres, you can help others. And on peut voyager, you can travel. Les inconvénients d'un métier, so the disadvantages, the inconveniences of a job. C'est un travail dur, and dur means hard, difficult, okay, dur. Think something is durable. It's hard, it's long-lasting, okay? So dur, hard. C'est un travail compliqué, it's complicated. Le travail est ennuyeux. Now you're well familiar with the word ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. It's boring. C'est stressant, it's stressful. On n'est pas bien payé, one is not well paid. Les heures sont longues, the hours are long. Okay, so les heures sont longues, the hours are long. C'est fatigant, it's tiring. Now, if you say je suis fatigué, I'm tired. So fatigant, tiring. And finally, on commence tôt le matin. Now, on commence is the verb to commence, to start. So we start, or one starts. Tôt means early. So you start early in the morning. So c'est dur, it's hard. Compliqué, complicated. Ennuyeux, boring. Stressant, stressful. On n'est pas bien payé, you're not well paid. Les heures sont longues, the hours are long. C'est fatigant, tiring. And on commence tôt le matin, you have to start early in the morning. Okay, so we might do that listening exercise at some stage. I'll confirm that with you anyway through Teams. Just a little bit of extra jobs vocab just to have noted in your notes copy. Sans emploi. Now you learned earlier with me that un emploi is a job. Think employment. Now, if you're sans emploi, sans means without. So you're without a job, you're unemployed. So, for example, mon père est sans emploi depuis 2 mois. My dad is without a job. My dad is unemployed with 2 months. If you're au chômage, it also means unemployed. Okay, so you should be aware of that term, au chômage, unemployed. Il y a beaucoup de gens au chômage à cause du coronavirus. There are lots of people unemployed because of the coronavirus. Chercher du travail is to search for work, to look for work. You're familiar with that ER verb, chercher, to search for, to look for. Je suis au chômage et je cherche du travail. I'm unemployed and I'm looking for work. Travailler à temps partiel is to work part-time. Ma mère travaille à temps partiel car elle a 5 enfants. So my mom works part-time because she has 5 children. Le patron is the boss. We've learned that word already. The boss, le patron. Mon patron est très sympa. My boss is very nice. Okay, so write that vocab in and into your notes copy and do read or watch back over this video again. Merci.